Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's November 13th, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. and I really need a carport for my golf cart. Look at all the water running off as soon as I go down the road here. Then we're going to be pouring more water down. Of course, I know it'll be wet if the cart will run. Yeah, it's been raining pretty good. That was cold. Finish off this bin and then I'll throw some hay at the other end since it's getting muddy down there. Well, I got that bin emptied. Go ahead and go around and throw a few more flakes up by the gate. Here comes the 7-Eleven chickens. Alright, 7-Eleven chickens are taken care of. Do some hay down here. That way they can eat it and trample it into the mud. Getting pretty bad in front of this gate. JD's got his food, so everybody is happy. Except for I'm a little wet. There's an Oreo. So see, there's better stuff over here. Right now it's 44 degrees and raining. The weather says it was going to rain for a couple hours and it shows sun later in the afternoon. Also because it's pretty dark today. All cloudy. I don't see any blue at all. I don't see the sunshine either. So hopefully it pops out and dries this mess back up.